Hey there, assalamualaikum, welcome back. So today I got this Tilbury stuff. I just bought it recently and it was online and it was sale going on, so I just got some stuff. And this lipstick came with the this one actually. So these two things, and this one separate and these two together. So I'm going to just swatch them and I will show you how these actually look in real, because online it was, of course, and I do have like few of them shades already, और ये वाले नए हैं, but basically this ये जो है, these are 3 lipsticks in one package, and this is, it says 3 lipsticks fit for a queen. And the lipsticks they have in this box is Legendary Queen, the Queen, and the Duchess. So yeah, I'm going to open them. So these are the lipsticks. First lipstick, the Duchess, the Queen. So this one is the Queen, and look at that. It's a very pretty apple red shade. Yes, it's wonderful. So I'm going to swatch it here. It's very pretty. Okay. And the next shade I have is the Duchess. Wow, it's very pretty nude shade. It's wonderful. Honestly, I'm loving this color already. It's very pretty nude pink. And then I have Legendary Queen. And Legendary Queen is, wow, it's a very, very pretty shade. There you go. So these wonderful shades I got in this packaging. And yeah. So the next purchase I have is this lipstick, and this is one of my favorites, Pillow Talk, I believe, because I do have a few more shades I love from Tilbury, and this is, yeah, Pillow Talk. So I'm gonna swatch Pillow Talk here. It's one of my favorite shade of all the time. This is Pillow Talk. So this is wonderful. And then I'm just gonna swatch them and show you very quickly. So we're gonna open this cheek to cheek. So I do have 2 more. Those ones are different. This is Pop and Swish, and it has something on the name inside. The Climax. And the shade is, it's a little bit bronzy. I do have 2 different shades from Tilbury. It's very pretty bronzy. The one I have, they're like Pillow Talk Intense and another shade which I don't remember, but this is going to be like one of the best shade, like as a bronzer. It's not like, it's a little darker, not pink tone, but it's actually really awesome. So yeah, this one. And then I have so this is my, it's very new product for me. I bought something, you know, the Swarovski packaging thing. So this is bronzer and glow. This is how they open. There you go. It's beautiful light highlighter. It's golden highlighter and sculpt. I really like it because I'm medium to dark. There you go. And this is the highlighter. Definitely going to use them, and I'm gonna try them and post my reviews, how whether it's long lasting or what's gonna happen, because I do like her eyeshadows, the Pillow Talk. It's really pretty palette. So this one, and then last but not least, we have this Easy Eye palette. It's for darling look. So yeah, it's her mini version. I do have a Pillow Talk. I think that was limited edition or something. This is my, wow, came with the 6 shades. This is how I look. Really pretty shades. I think it's reasonably like arranged this palette, because it has lighter shades and darker shades and all that for day look and for the evening look. And I will swatch it with my Pillow Talk palette so we can see the difference between the palettes and the shades, because I believe this palette actually has similar shades like the Pillow Talk palette has. So मुझे exactly sure नहीं है, मैंने क्योंकि बिल्कुल swatch नहीं किया, so I will swatch it in other videos, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.